Chenro ma Gedo magapai pachoka KeNHA koni Gedo marapa maduong mawuok Mombasa kocha Mariakiani osechakore kendo giki atamalo 15. Tend KeNHA mano timo limbe apaya megere Mombasa kod Kilifi koni Gedo marapano mabiro mwonyo omenda maromo siling bilion 15 biro kelo fungruok ne weg loche magolo mwandu hewath Mombasa masane kale midhiero mar dogruok. Kata kamano gikoni Gedo marapaya mawuok Mombasa kocha Malindi mano nego bed ni rumo dweni mar 12 koro biro deko nyaka higa manyien kaluwore gi midhiero mar chulo weg lope yalora ma Mtwapa kod Kadzengo.
There are sections that have one or two challenges, about 3.5 kilometers, where it's yet to be sorted in terms of access to the land for the contractor to finalize. That project was scheduled to end this December, but because of the issues we are sorting out, we have probably it might be extended to around March 2025 next year. So it will be pretty done and the road will be open.
For now, we have done the first section, which is the first priority, which starts at Mariakiani all the way up to the Way Bridge. Now we are in the second priority, which starts at Mazeras to Kibanda Asara. The employer, which is KeNHA, has done a lot of effort. They are in the process of compensating the third priority section, which starts from Kwajomvu all the way up to Bonje.
Hii barabara ya kutoka Mombasa kwenda Kilifi, hiyo nayo imetengenezwa vizuri sana. Manake zamani ilikuwako na potholes nyingi. Wakati huu vile ilivyo, hata muda unaotumia ni mchache kutoka Kilifi kuja Mombasa through Mtwapa. Hizo sections kidogo kidogo zenye ambazo zimebaki na hakika zikimalizika tutakuwa tunachukua muda mfupi sana.